Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be showing you how you can search on TikTok on your browser without creating an account on it and without even installing the TikTok app on your phone. So I know a lot of people want to search for someone or something on TikTok, but the web version of TikTok on TikTok.com, it doesn't include the search bar to search for someone or a hashtag or something on it. So today we'll be showing you how you can search on your browser, on your desktop or laptop or even your phone without installing the TikTok app or creating an account on TikTok. So let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is access TikTok.com just to make sure it doesn't have any search bar or search icon in it. So let's just type in TikTok.com. As you can see, it will only show the trending videos in my area, but it doesn't have any search bar on it. If I scroll down, it will only show me more videos on my feed. So let's get to it. The first thing you're going to do is access google.com because that's what we will use in this tutorial. So in the search bar, type in site, 2 dots, and tiktok.com and hit spacebar and type in text without space and 2 dots and 2 quotation marks. And between the quotation marks, you will type in the thing that you want to search for. In case you want to search for a certain profile on it, you need to type in the username, its name. For example, if it's a person, you need to type in first arrow base, just like this, in its name. So I'm going to demonstrate with someone famous right now. For example, let's just type in Kim Kardashian, for example, because I'm sure she has the TikTok profile. It's 100%. So as you can see, it's showing a result of Kim Kardashian profile on TikTok. So as you can see, this is her profile. You can scroll, you can click on the profile right now, right here, and it will show you all its videos. You can scroll down and watch each video if you want. As you can see, it's working fine. So you can search for anyone. For example, I did try Selena Gomez first. And hit enter. As you can see, the first profile is Selena Gomez on TikTok. As you can see, you can click on the username and it will show all its videos. So the second thing, in case you want to search for a certain hashtag, for example, because TikTok has also the hashtags just like Instagram and so on. So if you want to search for hashtags, just you need to type in not arrow bars, you need to type in the hashtag sign, just like this, and the thing that you want to look for. For example, this is awesome, and hit enter. It will show you the tag this is awesome and all the videos that's related to the tag itself, as you can see. So as you can see, it says login here because I'm not logging in any account and I'm using Google Chrome browser. And as I said before, this also works on your mobile phone, on your Android or iPhone, whatever you use. You just need to access google.com and type in this thing that I did here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more, and see you on next one. Bye bye.